So I have been speaking all along, but I forget to record it again. I had one recording before and it was 25 minutes video, so I couldn't upload that one in the Dropbox, in Dropbox now. I have already I will chat with this model, and I will try to answer the questions that we have here. So I choose the role as an examiner, and I had filled this chatbot with my project description and the functionality and non-functionality requirements and exact deliverables as well. So a response description that was so to address the model behavior of bias and fairness that could have significant impact on Python pricing using Python and Tableau. And I'm working in this project. I'm playing a role of data scientist and project manager. So thank you for sharing this. So can you discuss the overall system architecture for this chronic fiction dashboard? Yes, we'll have a front end, we'll have a forecasting model, and we'll have a REST API that work as a bridge between these two this precision. How do Python and Tableau work together in a project? Are they integrated or using independently? No, we are not going to integrate this Python and Tableau files. We will have, indeed, we will have a visualization that will work as a recommendation that will address or that will enhance the recommendation, but like a pie chart, like a stick, or like a bar chart. What if you do this? And we'll have a visualization that are made using Seaborn, Matplotlib, or Plotly or anything, but we are not going to integrate this Tableau file with the Python. So even if the what is in analysis, we have already addressed that one as well. So that would be a basic if-else condition in the Python script. So no, we are not going to integrate those Tableau file with the Python. What functionality minimum viable? This is the functionality as a result. As a data science and project manager, what are the issues your technical tasks completed? I have finished startup processing. I have finished. It took me 2 days to finish this to do the startup processing tasks. We had almost over 1,000 records. Now we are down to 7,800 records. So we dropped almost 200 rows. But we have engineered few features as well. I think we have engineered 3 more extra features and I have now over 7 numeric columns and a few categorical columns as well, and I have run correlation check, hypothesis testing, and a lot of things I've done it. And I'm now looking to go for advanced EDA, and then after that I'll go to predictive modeling. And then after I design this forecasting model, I will test its performance. And me with my team member will work on Tableau now. So we'll have a dashboard that will visually represent how and where these prices and how they look like. As well, develop any unique algorithms. I haven't data pre-processing pipelines. Yes, I have that. Maybe I will integrate a pipeline here. I will integrate a pipeline that connects to the front end and that will pre-process the user input. That will scale the features as well. That will do a lot of things and process it using the model. How do you balance the technical with the project management responsibilities? I'm doing it. Well, I'm working as technical. In the technical part as well, the core technical part of this project. So I'll be building a forecasting model. I'll work with the team to analyze the model performance. I'll work with the team to design the front end and the API as well. So yeah, why did you choose the Python and Tableau for this project, and how do they contribute to solving the bias and fairness in pricing? Solving it's a broad term here. We do not aim to solve this pre-built nature of model. Now, I don't think the model will predict an exact same price for the exact same price, whatever there is in the PS data set. So there is some bias and fairness, but we are trying to address this. Um, Not a problem, but address this nature of the moral nature and helps those stakeholders to guide with this problem as well. So it's a transparent approach to let them know about this model performance as well. So yeah. Reliable alternative technologies, the tools, if you why did you select these? No, we haven't. We are working on the Python and Dexu. Various obstacles in developing the dashboard. So the work breakdown structures, the work activities are in the chronological order. So that is the biggest obstacle. So now I must finish these data tasks so that my team will work on the dashboard and then the report. So that is somehow an obstacle for us at the moment. So we are trying to finish. We're trying to wrap this project as soon as we can. So, but even for that, I must finish my job first, and then the rest of the team will start after that. Scalability is how dashboard is scalable, and the large data set in the future. You can feed it. To be honest, it is dynamic to the data sets. It will support as well. I don't really know how much data the table public will support, but it will support. It will be dynamic to the upcoming data sets as well. Pricing and fairness. Since the presentation is the pricing and fairness, our ethical community, we will be transparent with this thing as well. The model, we will compare the model performance with the mean price of the actual performance. Now let's say the model predicted $50 for something and another $50, but let's say $100, but we will with these all these conditions in the Python, maybe I will now try to deploy this strategy. Let's say the model created $100. So now I will say, hey, look, for the same group, for the same car, this mean price is this much. So are you sure you wanna go with this? That would trigger some intentional decision to the stakeholders as well. So that would, we believe, guide them to for the better decision. That's it. I'm not sure if I would be